Welcome back to the URTM automation series for the law industry. Today, we're diving into the billing and AR view for managing partner Olivia Harris, focusing on key financial metrics for her cases. Starting with the dashboard set to 2024 year-to-date, we see Olivia's average, effective, and realization rates, each with year-over-year comparisons and growth rates. While these rates focus solely on Olivia's performance, the other visuals allow toggling between data for her alone or her full team. For this demo, we'll set it to all-time for a full team view. Below, two KPI cards display total billed hours with a year-over-year comparison, the percentage of billed versus billable hours, and a monthly breakdown. The second KPI card shows total billable hours and their percentage of total booked hours, also year-to-date. To the right, a line chart shows monthly trends for hours, revenue, WIP, or AR, including a comparison with last year's data in gray for a quick benchmark. Selecting a month like May reveals a daily view comparing both the current and prior year across all metrics. Next, using the same metric buttons, we have two pie charts. The first chart shows cases where Olivia is the sole lead versus shared lead cases. The second chart highlights Olivia's contributions compared to her teams, providing a clear view of her individual impact within the team's overall performance. In the lower left, the AR section provides an aging breakdown by category, such as current, 31 to 60 days and older, along with WIP or work in progress representing unbilled revenue. Each category is clickable, filtering the invoice details in the table below for a closer look. On the right, we have three sections: KPI cards at the top, a bar chart in the middle, and a table view at the bottom. The KPI cards provide year-over-year comparison and growth for all key metrics, offering insights into hours, revenue, WIP, and AR. The bar chart below breaks down these metrics. Let's select revenue by area of practice, position, and activity, with a secondary line indicating the total number of matters per category. Finally, the detailed table lists all cases for the selected period, showing area of practice, status, open date, and a complete breakdown of hours, revenue, WIP, and AR. Each selection across the dashboard filters this table, providing comprehensive case details and context. The Billing and AR view offers a complete snapshot of key metrics, delivering insights on team performance, revenue, hours, and more. Make sure to hit the subscribe button to stay updated on our latest videos. For more information or to get in touch, visit our website at urtmsolutions.com.